Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Siri 2.0 not showing up on iPhone 15 Pro Max. As you can see, this is iPhone 15 Pro Max and right now it's updated to iOS 18. So in this video, I will show you, as you can see, when I try to use Siri 2.0, it's not working. So how to fix that issue? First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app, you need to tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to tap on software update. Okay, and you can see a person screen right now. This iPhone 15 Pro Max updated to 18.0. So if you want to use Siri 2.0, your iPhone 15 Pro Max must updated 18.1. Okay, and now move to the other thing. Make sure you are living in United States when you try to use Siri 2.0 because this feature available only in USA people. Okay, so if you're not living in USA, just change your region and language in USA, and after that you need to update your iPhone to iOS 18.1, and you can easily use Siri 2.0 and also Apple Intelligence. So after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone 15 Pro Max not showing Siri 2.0. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.